Alright, you're not gonna believe this, because what you're looking at isn't a movie set. It's an actual hotel. And inside this place, humans are no longer doing most of the work. The bellhop, the butler, even the concierge, all replaced by robots. But here's the craziest part. It actually works. This is the Shangri-La Traders Hotel at Shanghai Hongqiao Airport, the first in the world where robots and humans work together to run a luxury hotel. And when I say robots, I don't mean little delivery boxes on wheels. I mean a full-sized humanoid butler. This thing stands tall, moves smoothly, waves politely, and greets guests like it's straight out of the future. And somehow, it doesn't feel awkward. It feels natural. When I first saw it, I half expected it to glitch or freeze mid-wave, but nope. This robot nails it. It looks at you, adjusts its distance, even matches your pace when walking beside you. There's no beep-boop moment. It's calm, confident, and almost charming. But here's what makes this hotel truly next level. It's not just one robot doing everything. KEENON Robotics, the company behind this, created a robot team. You've got XMAN R1, the humanoid butler out front. Then you've got robots like the C40 handling room deliveries, S100 for cleaning, and others like the T10, T3, and W3, all working together behind the scenes. Think of it like a perfectly choreographed dance. Each robot knows its job, never bumps into another, never misses a task. And honestly, guests are loving it. People are walking in expecting a gimmick and leaving with selfies, stories, and shock that it's all actually seamless. Imagine your luggage being escorted upstairs while another robot cleans your hallway and another prepares your room. The whole place feels alive, just without the chaos. KEENON's been at this for 15 years. They've already deployed more than 100,000 service robots in over 60 countries. But this hotel, is their boldest move yet. It's not just a tech demo. It's a working, breathing example of what happens when robots stop being novelties and start becoming coworkers. And that's the part I didn't expect to love. It's not about replacing people. It's about teaming up. The robots handle the repetitive stuff, deliveries, cleaning, luggage, while humans focus on what humans do best: empathy, creativity, genuine connection. The result? No burnout, no delays, no attitude, just consistent, polished service that still feels human, somehow. Standing there, watching these humanoids glide across the floor, I realized this isn't some distant AI future we keep hearing about. It's already here. A 5-star hotel where robots don't just assist. They actually run the place. So, yeah, this hotel just replaced humans with robots. And somehow, it feels more human than ever. I'd stay again, as long as my robot butler remembers how I like my coffee.